Hello viewers, welcome to IT System Admin and Information Technology Learning Tutorial channel for you. In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to enable or disable grid lines on Microsoft Word document. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. To enable or disable grid lines on Microsoft Word document, go to View tab. And here you will find an option grid lines. Click on grid lines. The grid lines is enabled. These grid lines will not print when you print the document. I am going to show you. Click on the File tab and click on Print. And look, the grid lines are not showing in Print Preview. Go back, and in the same way, to disable grid lines, click on View tab and just uncheck grid lines. This is the easiest way to enable or disable grid lines in Microsoft Word document. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.